Hi everyone, welcome back. So, till now we have learned about 8 different directions and their energies, starting from the north of northwest, that was ruled by the water element. Then we started going forward towards the east direction through the air element, and now we are in the fire element. Okay, so let us talk about the various energy fields that are present in this particular zone of your house. So try to relate with the attributes. Uh, so you can utilize the energy of this zone very efficiently. So you see, south of southeast. So it is just adjacent to the southeast direction on the right hand side, and it is a major fire element zone. Okay, so the primary attribute when we talk about the energy of this particular zone, it's about your confidence. Okay, it's about your power, whether you have power and confidence in your life or not. If you are having problems with these particular attributes, then the zone that you need to look for in your house is the south of southeast direction. Okay, so it is just beside the southeast. So how you can relate to it without gridding your house is just look at the just take a compass, stand on the center of your house. Okay, not in the center of your room. Okay, stand at the center of your house. Then from there you just check, for example, so this is east direction. Let me just say this is the east direction, and this is, let's say, the south direction. Think of it, think of the Indian map. Okay, on the east direction it's Assam, and in south we have Kanyakumari, right? So where is this SSE, south of southeast? So southeast is nothing but the middle of east and south, right? Now go a little further towards south. Now that will be the area of your house where the south of southeast actually is present. Okay, it's towards south. From southeast, okay, from southeast to south, there is another zone in the middle which is called the south of southeast. That's it. Okay, so if you have any kind of imbalances in this particular zone, so it will create problems regarding your confidence. It will create regarding problems of power. You will have low immunity in your life. Okay, so this particular direction or zone should be very much balanced according to the energy. Okay, so let me talk about the various energy that is present in this particular zone so that you can use it very efficiently. Okay, I'll just switch up my video and share the screen. So the south of southeast, I'll just show you from the Shakti chakra. Just look at it. This is the south of southeast. Okay, this one, right? So you see, from the center, this one, in between the southeast and the south lies the south of southeast. This is again 22.5 degrees wide. Okay, so primarily it is ruled by Viviswan, right? So that is actually the fire energy in you. So understand one thing, that if you have energy disbalance in your house regarding a particular element, so that will reflect in your body as imbalances in the vayu, pitta and kapha. Okay, so make sure you do it otherwise. Okay, you balance the house, the energy of the house, That way your body will be balanced. Now, what is the attributes of this particular energy zone? So it is power and confidence. Okay, the passion to do any work comes from this particular zone. uh, do you have courage or not in a particular situation? Do you have courage to um, just go and find your dream or work for your dream? Do you have enthusiasm in your life? So all these particular attributes are the result of a very balanced south of southeast zone. So if this particular zone is disbalanced in some way or the other, so you will have a lack of confidence, you will have a lack of courage. Okay, so you will be very like a weak kind of a person. You will have a very weak personality. That glamour, that power, that comes from the fire element, right? So water element is nothing but emotional aspect of our life. Okay, so fire element is nothing but how you can um, do a particular task with the vigor, with the energy. Okay, so that is nothing but the power of the fire energy. So you can do one thing. You, let's suppose you keep on learning new things, you are continuously skilling, upgrading your skills. So you are not like you have not stopped learning. You believe in upgradation. So if that is your personality, then you must have a very good south of southeast zone in your house, right? So you can do one thing. You can keep some food which are for long time use, like ghee, like wheat or rice. Okay, that will boost your immunity when you eat it. Okay, that will help in your immunity system. Now suppose you have a bedroom in this particular zone. So let us check if you have a bedroom, so is it good or not? So it is one of the best zones for a bedroom. Okay, just remember that there is the energy of the room is balanced. That is, if clashes are happening continuously between the family members, then avoid green color bed sheet here, because that will increase, as you already know, that will increase the fire energy. And you can compensate it using some yellow bed sheet or yellow covers or like that. Okay, that will help you. Otherwise it is one of the best bedrooms. Okay, for sleeping it is the best place. uh, can you have a kitchen here? So yes, again it is one of the best placement for a kitchen, for the fire element. But it should be again balanced. Okay, it will give you good energy from the cooked food here. Okay, that will really help you in your health. Um but obviously please make sure it is not imbalanced. That is, you have not placed many fire elements here, like red colors everywhere, red color wall, okay, or green color wall, and everything is red placed over here. Please do not do that. Like the shelves are all red colors, green colors. That way what will happen? Stove, right? Now if you have like many red things, many fire elements in this direction, what will happen? The energy will be increased, right? And that will create disbalance, and you are going to get affected for that. Okay, see, the the features or the attributes of any zone, the energies of any zone will be favorable for you only when it is in the balanced set. Okay, whether it is low, whether it is high, it will create problems. Only a balanced one will help you. You have to understand that, right? Now, many of you might ask that what will happen. We don't use stoves, we use microwaves, we use induction, we use kettles. Okay, see, ultimately fire energy is created there, right? It is heating up something, isn't it? So whenever some heating thing is happening, that is nothing but the fire element in action. So consider it like that. Okay. Now, can you have a temple over here? It is not recommended to have a temple that will stop or create problems in manifestation. Okay, do not keep a temple over here. Can we have a toilet? It is a big no. Should not have a toilet seat in this particular direction or zone, because that will obviously, as you understand till now, that it will dispose of the courage. Okay, so all the confidence, all the power will go in vain. That is the problem. You can treat it with red tape or copper strip. Till now, you got the framework, right? You understood the framework, how to understand the energies. So you just need to know the various energies or attributes of the zones, and everything else is simply fitted in the framework, right? You understand it, that only thing that is to be done is make it balanced. That's it. So I hope you like this video. You understood the energies which prevail in this particular zone, and you know how to use that energy very efficiently for the betterment of everyone in the house, right? So use it wisely. Please make it balanced, and I will suggest for the walls of the house, do not have different color walls. If you cannot, if you cannot control the colors of the zones, so what you can do is you can simply put a single color, a very light color, throughout the entire house. That will keep it balanced. Okay, maybe a off white color, a very soothing light color, light shade of color, through the entire house. It will be then balanced. Okay, otherwise, let's say you are having a red color wall only in the north direction or in the northeast direction, so that is bound to give you problems. No matter what you have, maybe you are not having toilet in the northeast, maybe you are not having kitchen in the northeast, still if you have painted the entire walls of the, bound to give you problems. Okay, because it's nothing but the fire element that is placed in the northeast slot, which is again water element. Okay, that will create health issues. So you should be very intelligent enough to utilize the energies in the most efficient way, right? So I hope you like this video. You understood the energies, and please make notes and share this video to whoever you find it will be useful to, right? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.